Hi everyone, welcome back to Casting Vlog and welcome back to another new video. So today I have this ProLit gaming keyboard from Ant Esports and the model number is MK1450. Now this keyboard is very cheap, and then you get it for like about less than 300 rupees on quick commerce platforms. So I ordered this from Zepto. And let's go ahead and see how this budget gaming keyboard works. So let's start with the unboxing first. So here is the box, and you can see that on the side it's written Pro Backlit Gaming Keyboard, and at the back it has the key functionalities and some instructions and information about the product. Let's go ahead and cut the seal. And let's now open the box. I'm going to keep this on a vertical position. So inside the box we get the keyboard, which is properly packed with a waterproof or water resistant cover. Let's go ahead and remove this cover from the keyboard. And inside you get the keyboard along with the instruction and a warranty card. So we'll keep these cards to the side as well. Now let's go ahead and check the keyboard. Let's test the keys. So the keys feel really tactile and robust, and looks like it's made up of good quality, which is a good thing. Let's go ahead and check the connector. So the wire is sufficiently long, and then this comes with a adapter if in case if you don't have a USB-A port on your laptop, and just like USB-C, so you can put this to the connector to the adapter and use this keyboard as a USB-C type. Now this is how the keyboard looks like with the lightings, so you can see the different color of lights that it's coming through. And there is also the option to turn off or on this backlight, and along with that you get a scroll lock, and then you have a num lock and a caps lock as well. Now let's see this keyboard in pitch dark, how this looks. So this is the look when the lights are completely turned off. So you can see that the visibility is great and it looks really stunning. So in my opinion, this really feels like this is a value for money product, because for less than 300 rupees you're getting a backlit. Along with that you also get like good keys, so the keystrokes or key presses feels really solid and good. So definitely if you're on a low budget and then you want to have a gaming keyboard, you can check out this Ant Esports keyboard and try to see if that meets your expectations. That was all for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please give it a like, and if you have any other questions, please feel free to put them in the comments. I will see you on the next one.